Hey everybody, thank you for joining us this week. Super short video. I am still really sick and trying to get better, and it was a busy week here. My dad and I one day got together and we did take the car on a nice drive around the property and just kind of had a fun time with that. Man, I shook the heck out of these taillights because they weren't bolted on, but the car actually drives really nice. The trunk lid is bouncing around because it's held down with a bungee cord. But I figured I'd give you guys this video. I've obviously got a new drone. I'm trying to be entertaining to you guys, trying to give you better views, trying to make it so we end up with a better product here on the video. I'm not only trying to learn new metal shaping techniques, but I'm also trying to learn video editing, video making, so I can give you guys something that's worth watching. Here we get the drone, and it's awesome. I mean, that thing can follow you, it can focus on you, like it'll just float there and take some of these. This one I'm taking where it's spinning around the car. You can see I'm looking down at the remote as I'm doing this, but the last couple shots where it was just driving around like this one, the drone is actually just following us, which is pretty epic. To me, the car is coming out really good. I know it doesn't look like anything in particular, but it's pretty cool for what it is. I like the new fin height. I think that's really good. I think it gives it just some flair. It looks like a porcupine right now with all of those glicos sticking in the side there. But it will blend in nicely when those come out and the metal starts being attached. Look at those taillights about to fall off. I'm glad they didn't. But yeah, this week was a cool week aside from feeling like death. I have a lung infection, so I have walking pneumonia. So nobody else around me is really at risk because I'm on antibiotics and everything's fine, but it just hasn't kicked off of me yet. I know this is a low energy video, sorry about that guys, but I just figured I'd throw one out to the the diehards here, the people who are really following along and care about what's happening. I really appreciate you guys, and I don't want to leave you hanging. I know in a video a couple back I said I may or may not post weekly, but I'm really gonna try to, because I appreciate you. I appreciate you checking in, leaving comments, and being part of this. It's kind of what's kept me fueled through this whole thing. Look at that thing. That thing is killer. It is a truly one-off shape. I mean, those are Cadillac fenders in the front. It's got the Meteor or shoebox hood, the chop top, the Meteor deck lid, then the Cadillac modified taillights, custom doors, custom side panels, all on top of a 2020 Tesla Model 3, if you forgot that part. I know a lot of people in the last one were commenting, ways to drop that rear axle down, thinking that it was a solid axle still. And obviously it is not for this car. This is a independent rear suspension with a Tesla Model 3 motor in the middle there. All factory Tesla stuff. That's going to make so this car is a heck of a driver, and I can use it daily. Still gonna probably put some suspension on it, do some modifications to get a little bit better ride and things, and look, mostly look. This car is all about looks, but also some level of function. And don't forget guys, at the end here, I do have a couple end screens that pop up, so if you want to watch one of our older videos, or maybe go back and rewatch the Meteor build playlist from the beginning, you can see the entire thing from the time we pick it up in Canada all the way to today's video. I really appreciate you stopping by. I enjoyed making this video. I was able to come up with some good shots, and I hope we can get those into some of the newer videos and start bringing the quality up for everybody. I appreciate those of you who have been with us from the beginning, and I appreciate those who are just joining us now. So thank you very much. See you guys next week. We'll talk to you soon.